Hello guys, this is probably my first video, so I would want to introduce myself. My name is Aditya Bhardwaj and I did my BTech from SRM Institute of Science and Technology from Chennai. Uh, in the same year, 3 months came to our college for placements, and fortunately I'm working as a software developer now. Uh, I think that's the only info me which is required for now, and now we'll see why did I make this video at such an odd hour, at such an odd hour. It's currently 2:50 in the morning, and yes, this video because hell, I paid 43,000 for a gate course. Uh, okay, let me show you the course which I paid this much for. So, if you by any chance are studying or are studying computer science engineering or IT, then you must have come across this guy. His name is Ravindra Babu Rabola, and he has some awesome videos on YouTube regarding topics like TOC compiler, and you can see actually he is explaining something about the weightage about these topics only. So these topics are very not very hard now as I think of it, but they were just confusing, and we just needed a good, a good guide, a good tutorial on these topics. So when I was in college, he was of he was a very big help to me and my friends, and thanks to him we were able to make through some courses, some very difficult courses. Fortunately, we never failed, and it was because of him. So he provides the GATE course through video lectures, and he has this course which he provides for 43,000 rupees, and it's valid for 2 years. That's why this price. So today at 12 at around 12:30 in the morning, I paid for it. Actually, we have to send the money to this account, and then we send a mail, and then he sees it, the team sees it, and then we get access to the website. So I'm currently waiting for it. Obviously it will not be sent to me at this hour, but I think tomorrow in the day sometime. So I'm waiting for it. I'm very much excited, and I hope you guys know about Gate. So I was thinking about it. I have been thinking about it for the last 3 or 4 months, whether I should go for it or not. Should I go for it or not? But finally the time came. I just thought that I need to give it a go. I would never know if I uh, never gave it a chance. So hence hence I just went and just bought it. I hope this is the right decision. And yes, what's the plan? Actually, the goal of this video was to, let people know how I felt about this series of video lectures, because I personally never came across some reviews for these video lectures. Not easily, they might be there, but I could not find it. So I decided that I would make a video uh, from the day one before I got the lectures, and then I'll share my progress, share my daily progress, and then share with you guys how I felt after watching these videos. So it might help you. I have you know I have I've taken the call already. I think it helps too, and hopefully it will help me to you know keep myself in check, because I also want to keep a status check. I also want to keep a check on how this goes on. Okay, so I'll let you know tomorrow when I receive the credentials and I log in and Maybe I'll share some screens. I don't know if it's allowed or not. So let's see. And that's it for today.